Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a video to help you with your pronunciation of the alphabet sounds. So we're going to practice the alphabet. So repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, the letter A. Repeat these words. Apple, ant, alligator. The letter B. Banana, bear, balloon. The letter C. Car, carrot, cake. The letter D. Duck, dog, dice. The letter E. Egg, ear, earth. The letter F. Fox, fork, fish. The letter G. Goat, gate, goose. The letter H. Hat, hand, hair. The letter I. Island, ice, idea. The letter J. Jet, jump, jam. The letter K. Key, kite, king. The letter L. Leaf, love, land. The letter M. Milk, mother, man. The letter N. Nose, nest, nut. The letter O. Olive, orange, onion. The letter P. Pen, plane, pan. The letter Q. Question, quiz, queen. The letter R. Rose, rat, rain. The letter S. Sock, saw, seat. The letter T. Tiger, tent, toad. The letter U. Up, umpire, umbrella. The letter V. Volcano, vest, violin. The letter W. Water, wagon, wheel. The letter X. X-ray, fox, box. The letter Y. Yolk, yawn, yellow. The letter Z. Zebra, zipper. Now you know the entire alphabet, so you can practice it again on your own. Please like, subscribe, or share, and leave me any questions in the comments. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.